Here are 6 mind-blowing facts, mind-blowing ways that the billionaires of today and tomorrow are using to create generational wealth. But first, before I get into those, welcome back, you transcendent soul. It is me, your guiding light, your Sherpa to success, getting you to your wildest dreams where you can buy millions of stars and essentially have a galaxy purely of your desire, of your needs. So I just want to set a premise first. These aren't shitty little hacks. These are how the top 0.001% are actually thinking, and how the people who are going to become part of that percentage are thinking. So first is first principles. Don't copy the playbook. Break problems down into basic little bits and build your own solution from the ground up. This is known as Elon Musk's model. And 2, inversion thinking. This one blew my mind when I first heard of it. It's incredible and widely known as Charlie Munger's and Warren Buffett's favorite way of thinking. I'm sure you've heard of their names. So instead of asking, how do I succeed? Ask yourself, how do I fail? And fucking avoid it like the plague. And 3, second order thinking. What happens next after what happens next? Smart money plays the long chain of consequences. Simple, you should do the same. 4, that's what I meant to do for 4. Opportunity cost. Every yes is a silent no to something better. Spend your time and capital accordingly. You'll never believe what number 5 is. Subscribe. No, really, it's called leverage. Billionaires don't work harder than you or I. They use people, money, code, and media to scale efforts 10-fold, 100-fold, 1,000-fold. It just scales up as you scale it up. And finally, number 6, asymmetry. What does that mean? It's easy. Take bets with limited downside but unlimited upside. That's how fortunes are built. So with that being said, and with you now being smarter, be safe, be well, and as always, I am watching from afar, praying for your success.